Hello once again, guys. I am back on the same day. As you guys can see, I have my t-shirt on, and today I'm going to be talking about my first objective much in detail. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I've already done and my objectives, the whole thing. So my first objective, as you guys might have already known from the last video, is to learn AP Physics. So I'm just going to show you guys my progression. I take this really seriously. Right now I have my calculator, my trusty calculator, my pencil case, and my ruler. I also have my laptop, which is here, and I'm recording on it as well. So it will be quite hard to sync, but I'll try and make things work. So just to show you guys my progression, here's my book, and I have already finished 1D Kinematics. So I started it on the 28th of May. However, I had my exams, so I had to stop and focus on studying on my exams. And now that my exams are done, I can get back to doing physics. So 1D Kinematics was quite fun. I really enjoyed it. But now we're getting into forces. So right now, I have already done the vectors, the introduction to vectors. And now I am doing, as you guys might be able to see here, forces. Let me show you guys. So I do problems and I take notes for the concepts. So now the chapter is called Tour de Force. And I like the play on words because it's Tour de France, but Tour de Force. I really like it, and I have stopped at this problem. So let me just go ahead and open up my laptop and show you guys what it is. So right here, this is the website. If you guys want, I can put it in the description, but I doubt that you guys don't know this already. So this course is estimated to take 18 weeks. 18 weeks, that's quite a lot. So let's just do some quick mathematics. Let's just do some quick division. 18 divided by 4, that gives us 4.5 months. So I think that I'll be able to finish it in 4.5 months, but my objective is not to finish it as quickly as possible. My objective is to finish and understand the concepts that I have learned. So let's just go ahead and skim through this real quick. So my internet might be slow. I do have fiber, but it's kind of iffy, because the servers aren't close to me, so the ping is really slow. So here is the page, AP Physics 1, and it's hosted, and this course is taught by Rice University. So picking up where we left off, if I do that, I'll pick up right here. I have finished the first unit, welcome to forces. I've finished the unit about vectors, which I said, and now I am at Tour de Force. Then we have forces between objects, and then we have the lab, and then we have the wrap-up. The wrap-up is always the funnest thing because you don't have to take notes and they show you a fun physics trick. So today I plan on doing Tour de Force and finishing there, because I don't want to do everything at once and forget everything at the end. So right now, if I have a problem about kinematics, only kinematics, I feel like I can answer. And you guys might be saying, hey, why didn't you do a unit 2 acceleration? I did, but I don't know why. The problem that I'm at, it's here. I did it, but it doesn't want to register as done. Oh, there were people walking, good to see that. So we had to do this first problem, and then we had to finish this up. So I got the answer correctly. This was quite tricky because I thought that this was 0, but I collaborated with the community and saw that it was not 0. I even put a comment saying that it's not marked as done, as completed, but as you guys can see, I have completed it, so I don't know what's happening. So that's what's going on, and I just want to mark as complete. I hope that that's not going to be too disturbing for me in the future, but I hope that the issue gets solved. So right now, as I said, I'm gonna be doing forces. I did vectors because in the French math curriculum, in Spécialité Math, and also last year in the 10th grade, we started doing vectors, and now we did scalar products, produits scalaires, we have geometry on the plane, and all of those cool stuff, and all of that cool stuff. So right here, they asked us questions about what you know. I got them correctly. And then concept to vectors. I'm not going to play the video because if you guys want to listen, you guys can just go ahead and sign up for the course. It's a really interesting course, so I really encourage it. Exercises, which I did, but I actually learned something. Like I learned how to get the coordinates of a vector when the norm is given. Before I didn't know that. I didn't think of that, but it's just trigonometry, and I find that quite interesting actually. So because we don't teach you that at school, and I did the questions, and yeah, I got them right. So and then we have more questions, Cartesian coordinates, more questions, more problems, quite interesting. Some questions are multiple choice, but other questions you have to take your time and work them out in order to get the answer. For example, let me show you guys this vector question. Because I am used to analytical math, I'm not used to visual math, so I didn't think of doing the heads to tails method. That's what they call it. And I determined the coordinates of each vector, of each individual vector, and I really had to, it didn't take me a lot of time, but I had to do it for every single vector, and then I had to add them all up together just to get 0. However, if I had done head to tails, I would have seen that the answer is 0 anyway. But that was quite fun, and as you guys can see here, I had to compute and find the value of the vector, so that's quite interesting. So right now, I have already watched the concept video of forces, so the two first laws of Newton, of Sir Isaac Newton, the man which discovered gravity by apple falling. Wow, I wonder if we used to fly before. But yeah, it's quite interesting. And now I have to do the problems and the exercises. So I'm gonna be doing that, and I'm gonna be continuing my first objective right now, and then I will make a video on summing you guys up and briefing you guys on what I've learned during the day. And so right now I'm gonna do the physics. Tomorrow I'm going to start programming. I'm gonna do the 2 programs simultaneously because I don't want to fix my mind on one thing and be narrow-minded, because maybe by solving an issue on one program, another issue can be solved. So with that being said, right now I'm gonna work and get to the physics. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the video, don't feel shy to like and subscribe. But see you guys and have a nice day. Bye.